This is the #1 way to make easy money in 2024, and one of the only methods that has generated me hundreds of thousands of dollars per month. I'm going to reveal a secret software that has all the best AI tools out there to help you generate an income online. Some of the best entrepreneurs in the space use AI to help them make money. So if you want to know more secrets, then watch this and find out how to make more money with a copy and paste business model. The past few years, I've seen incredible advancements in AI technology, but in 2024, AI has taken the revelation to brand new heights. It's literally crazy how much things have changed. I haven't clocked into a traditional 9-to-5 job in over 5 years, yet I'm generating hundreds of thousands of dollars per month. And the best part is, the method I'm going to share with you today is 100% beginner friendly, works anywhere in the world, and requires pretty much no upfront investment. The generative AI market is valued at $29 billion in 2022 and grew to $43 billion in 2023. By 2030, it's expected to skyrocket to $207 billion. So you see where I'm going with this? As the AI market expands, so does your opportunities to make money. Trust me on this. This is better than crypto. Millionaires and billionaires are being made every single day. And if you start now, you can get ahead of the curve. Wait too long and you might miss out on this complete awesome opportunity. Now that you understand the potential, let's explore how you can tap into this market. There are many AI tools out there like Rasana. This tool will blow your mind. And to get started, just head over to Rasana, an AI website, and click the search bar for your specific tool that you need, and you can look up anything here. This will give you access to a powerful tool that can help you generate income in a bunch of different ways. So how do you make money with this? This will allow you to quickly scale your efforts and increase your earnings, because any business you want to create or any interest in software tools, you can do it. So I'm going to show you these 3 proven methods to make money with this tool. These methods range from beginner friendly to more advanced strategies. There's everything here for everyone. So if you click below down in my bio, I'll give you this tool so you can then look at everything. So one of the easiest ways to start making money with Rasana AI is by offering video creation by making user-generated content, UGC content. You can use freelance platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. If you're not familiar with these platforms connect freelancers with clients who need specific services, and UGC content is in high demand right now. So to start off, you just need to set up a profile on Fiverr.com or Upwork.com and list user-generated content as one of your services. Be sure to include keywords like user-generated content or video models in your profile description, as these sites are largely algorithm driven, so you want people looking for those services to be able to find you. Next, I recommend you to do some quick research on what other freelancers are charging similar to these services. Typically, UGC content ranges from $30 to $1,000 per project, depending on the length and complexity of the content. This is where you find some strategies that come in handy. I then charge a little bit lower than the competition so you can get ahead of the curve. This can give you a push, so you need to attract your first few clients. Once you get some positive reviews, you can gradually increase your rates. When placing an order, simply grab the script and record a video with your iPhone or your camera of the video that they want. They're gonna give you a script and you're just gonna record it. Usually they will ask for ads, skits, or product reviews. This service can help you make thousands a month on easy mode. I mean thousands, guys. This is hot. This method is particularly great for beginners because it requires no upfront cost and allows you to earn money almost immediately. Right now, the demand and user-generated content is growing. Since it's early, you can tap into this market, offer affordable, high-quality videos to your clients. Number 2, you're gonna look to maximize earnings with minimal efforts, considering reaching out to English-speaking YouTubers and offering it to translate their content to other languages. So this is number 2 on exactly what I would do. Again, you're leveraging the global reach of YouTube as well as it increasing demand for content in multiple languages. I recommend you look for YouTubers who create content in English but haven't yet tapped into the non-English markets. It doesn't really matter what their niche is, because if people are interested in one language, and the same probably goes for other languages too. Once you make contact with the YouTubers, tell them that you can translate their videos into other languages such as Spanish, French, German. They usually already see the value, but if they don't, you can explain exactly how they expand their audience and increase their revenue through ad revenue, sponsorships, product sales, additionally translating content that allows YouTubers to repurpose their existing videos. And all the business owners know the value of maximizing return on investment. Once they agree, use the AI tool to search up a tool that can translate videos. The big point here is the insane income potential. If you manage to land one of those big YouTube channels with lots of followers, you can charge them a ton of money since they have new stream of income. Over time, you can build a roller coaster of clients, even hire a team to help manage the workload for you. This means you can either scale it so your involvement is minimal or turn into 100% passive income. This is great because a lot of YouTubers want to make money putting their content into different languages. So what I like about this one, YouTubers are always looking for ways to grow the audience and income by offering them a way to reach new markets. You can secure long-term contracts, create a reliable income stream. The best part is many YouTubers have a budget to pay for these services, especially if they have a potential increase in revenue from broader audiences. And this is going to be great. You can even create a marketing agency in this division and end up, getting clients this way, and then basically producing content in other languages and then charging them a monthly fee. Number 3 is everyone who has ever tried to make money online knows about online courses and online course creators. However, we're going to put a little twist on this. Building a marketing agency or coaching offer isn't that complicated if you have a niche that is in a growing market. And those clients are making a decent amount of money. If they're in a growing market and they're making a decent amount of money, this is probably where you want to do. Here is the twist that comes in. You can use the AI tool. I'm going to put this AI tool below this video and help you find niches to help you design your product so you can make money simply by spreading the word about this awesome AI tool that can help people make more money. This method has potential to earn you thousands of dollars with minimal effort. The AI landscape is constantly evolving, so make sure you stay informed about the latest tools and technologies. This knowledge will help you offer more and relevant, effective services to your clients. Also focus on quality, whether you're becoming a UGC creator, online coach, and always striving to put out the best products possible. This will help you build trust with your audience, your clients, and it can even lead to repeat business as long-term success. In my experience, many people trust AI and do everything. It can just make them lazy. If you can find little ways to go above and beyond, it definitely pays off. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment with different strategies and adapt to your approach based on what works best. The online world is dynamic and flexibility is the key to staying ahead. And if you see an opportunity, go for it. If you can be the first person to enter a new niche, the amount of money you can make will be multiple exponentially. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your current venture, the opportunities using AI to make money are pretty much endless. The key to act now is because the earlier you get in, the more you can gain. Do not sit around and wait until the market is oversaturated. Remember, the future belongs to those who take action. AI is here to stay. Only become more integrated into our daily lives. You can either be a pioneer sitting on a pile of money or one of the guys who kicks himself from missing out, guys. So hopefully you enjoyed the video, and the choice is yours. So if you want to subscribe down below, give me a subscribe, and I'll see you in the next videos.